Okay, great. Now it's time to percussion, few details, and we have the first drop. Okay. Okay. Maybe the snare is too high. Okay, let's try something maybe with. Yeah, maybe with this one. 1, 2, and 3. Yeah. Side chain. Okay. I'm gonna remove only the last one and I do something like a reverse with the kick. So something like this. Yeah. Yeah. Strange. Okay. Yeah, with this. Okay. Hi-hats. Maybe this one. Yeah. And the claps. How in the percussion? Ah, like this. Yeah, love it. And let's try a clap. It needs to be really short and really punchy clap because it's kind of bouncy techno track. The first one maybe can cut a lot of release. Yeah. Yeah, perfect. Let's play with this clap. Swing clap. Ta-da-ta-da. No, the last one is wrong. Ta 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 ta. Okay. Now it's time for the consolidate. Perfect. Maybe we can pitch a little bit. Only 2 seconds. Perfect. Okay, let me listen again. My house is your house. I would like to do something, a mix between the lead and the vocal. So something like down, 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 down. My house is your house. Something like this. Let's try. Wrong plug. Welcome to my house. My house is your house. Yeah, we need to affect it in different way the vocal for the drop, but I like the idea. Maybe I can take the same mixer plugins. Welcome to my house. My house is your house. Maybe more distortion before the compression with the serum. Where is the serum FX? Right here. Something like this. Welcome to my house. My house is your house. Too much, maybe. Welcome to my house. My house is your house. Welcome to my house. My house is your house. Yeah, and with a side chain for sure. A strong side chain. Welcome to house. Welcome to my house. My house is your house. And I'm going to consolidate because I don't want the release from the reverb. So, usual things. Welcome to my house. My house is your house. Welcome to my house. Perfect. And now it's time for the synth reverb, but this time with the session for sure. So I need to make a nick and add a sidechain. Maybe the same that I used for the wait, this one. No, too much. For this one. No, this one is there. I used a different sidechain. I don't remember. Yeah, this one. Okay. Okay. Let's try it all together. House. Welcome to my house. My house is your house. Welcome to my house. My house is your house. Maybe I can filter a little bit the plaque, but I like it. Yeah. Something like something like this. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, perfect. And now it's time for the second break, and I'm gonna do a great melody bass line with the same harp, but nothing special because it's a club track. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna make another one of these with a sidechain, the same sidechain that I had here. Okay. And now it's time for the impact and the pluck arpeggiator. This is your house and a lot of reverb with a bass. Maybe I can create a bass here, reverb, vocal. Let's put a great Valhalla room and let's automation clip here. It's your house. Only here. Perfect.